A very good morning, students. Welcome to the e-classes of Rock Gold Academy. I, Sakshi Dwivedi, here with class first computer chapter number 4, that is using a mouse. So, first we will discuss what is mouse pointer. Right? A small arrow appearing on the computer screen is called as mouse pointer. Right? A small arrow. See this one. Can you see this? This arrow, this is our mouse pointer. Okay, mouse pointer moves with the movement of the mouse. Whenever we move the mouse like this, the mouse pointer also moves, right? Our next topic is mouse buttons. A mouse has two buttons, that is left and right button, and a mouse has also a scroll wheel. You can see here. See, this one is left button, this is right button, and this wheel, you can see this wheel, this is a scroll wheel. So, the left button of the mouse is clicked most of the time, right? We click the mouse button, left mouse button most of the times. The scroll wheel is used to move a computer page up and down. What is the use of scroll wheel? Scroll wheel is used to move the page up and down. A modern day mouse has a sensor on its bottom which helps in moving the mouse. This type of mouse is known as optical mouse. Like in modern days, like nowadays, there is a mouse which has a sensor on its bottom, right? This sensor helps in moving the mouse here and there, and this type of mouse is known as optical mouse. Modern day mouse can also be used without a mouse pad. Before we use mouse with a mouse pad, right? But now modern days mouse which has a sensor in it, we can use it without a mouse pad also. Right? You can see here the mouse, left button, right button, and a scroll wheel. Okay? Next, mouse pad. What is mouse pad? A mouse is usually kept on a special seat known as mouse pad. We always keep mouse on a mouse pad, right? It is a special seat for a mouse, right? Mouse pad help us to move the mouse smoothly. What does mouse pad do? Mouse pad help us to move the mouse smoothly. There are some computer mouse that has no wire. Nowadays, some mouse has no wire, and these type of mouse are called wireless mouse. Why it is known as wireless mouse? Because it has no wire. Now, next topic, how to hold a mouse properly. You should know that how to hold the mouse properly, then only you will work on mouse, right? So, steps to hold a mouse properly. First, gently hold the mouse by placing your palm on the table. Right? We should gently hold the mouse by placing our palm on the palm means this part, right? This part. This on the table. Keep your thumb on one side and little finger on the other side, like you can see here. Thumb on one side and little finger on another side. Next, keep your index finger on the left button. You can see here, this one is our index finger. So, index finger on left button and the middle finger on the right button. See, middle finger on right button, right? From index and middle finger, we will be able to click on the buttons of the mouse. This index finger and middle finger will help in clicking the buttons, right? This one is thumb, this is index finger, this is middle finger, this is ring finger, and this is little finger. So this thumb will be on one side and little finger and ring finger will be on one side, and index finger will be on left button and middle finger will be on right button. Okay? Next topic, single click. Clicking the left button once is called as single click or simply click. When we click the left button only once, then it is known as single click. and clicking the left button once select an item. When we click the left button once, it always selects an item, okay? Next, double click. Quickly clicking the left button twice is called double click. When we quickly click on the left button twice, 2 times, then it is known as double click, and this clicking left button twice always opens an item. Single click selects an item and double click opens an item. Next, click and drag an item. Now how to click and drag an item means move an item from one place to another. Clicking and dragging moves an item to another location, right? I have said you right now also that dragging, what does dragging means? Moving an item to one location to another location. While clicking, the mouse should be kept still. Right, when we click on the mouse should be kept still on one place only. To click and drag, press the left button and move the mouse while keeping the left button pressed. How to drag? First, we have to click from the left button, and then keeping the left button pressed only, we have to move the mouse wherever we have to place the item. When you have dragged the item to the place you want to put in, then release the left button. Wherever you want to place that item, drag the mouse to that item and then release the left button. This will help you in clicking and dragging an item. Next, right click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once is called as right click. When we press and release the right mouse button once is called as right click. Scrolling up and down. From where we do scrolling up and down the page, we have learned before also scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is located in between left and right mouse button, right? You know very well. This scroll wheel is used to move a page up and down on the monitor. So students, this is the end of our chapter. Hope you have understood every concept of it, right? So do not forget to like, share and yes, subscribe also. Thank you.